All right, welcome back. It's time to elevate your Easter celebration with fresh, seasonal, sweet, and savory dishes.
Yum. Joining us with brunch recipes is Chef Nigel Henderson of the Gourmandise School at Santa Monica Place. Plus, your chance to text in and win a Smart and Final $500 gift card. Chef, so great to have you with us.
Thank you for having me.
We've been smelling this through the hallways all day.
Yes.
So yummy. Let's start. Tell us about your cooking school.
So the Gourmandise School started in 2011. It's located at the Santa Monica Place Mall. We offer recreational cooking classes, and we have over 15 different chefs of varying backgrounds and culinary talents. And I'm talking everything from Laotian cuisine to Creole cuisine and everything in between.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. All right, let's get to the food.
Yes.
Okay.
And we're going to start with these Easter Bunny deviled eggs.
Well, Easter is not Easter without deviled eggs, and so we decorated them, made them a little playful, and this is something that you can do with the kids at home. We made little bunny ears out of them.
Okay.
So taste that, test it.
Go for it, Glenn. Thumbs up.
Can't go wrong, right?
Thumbs up.
Good stuff.
All right, this looks spectacular. This is blackened shrimp and stone ground grits.
Yes, so my family's from New Orleans. I spent a lot of time there. This stone ground grits is amazing for brunch. We keep the heads on because you know what? We need to taste that love, that shrimp love.
Is this okay to try?
It is okay to try.
I'm from the South. I love grits. The only time I get them is when I go home.
Make sure you get that sauce.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Wow.
Yes,
Wow.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, not just bacon. Millionaire's bacon.
Okay.
Okay.
This is one of the amazing dishes that we teach at the school. We call it Millionaire's Bacon, and it's candied bacon on another level. Okay? So we use a little bit of fresh ginger, brown sugar, and we crack pepper, we toss it, and we bake it, and it's amazing.
My kids would love this. They are bacon lovers, but this just doesn't taste like your typical bacon.
And if you put it on a BLT, it kicks it up another notch.
Wow. Wow. Amazing. All
Do you have a demo for this?
Yeah.
I do have a demo. All right, so really quickly, it's a very quick and simple recipe. We have our thick cut bacon. We have brown sugar, we have ginger, we have cracked pepper. So literally, boom. If you're at home, we're gonna toss our bacon in there. We're gonna throw our brown sugar, our ginger, excuse me. And so you can use fresh ginger or ginger powder. If you use fresh ginger, you can go a little bit heavier. If you use powdered ginger, you can go a little bit lighter, all right? And we gotta use cracked pepper.
A little bit of pepper.
Of course.
Not a little bit.
Yeah, a lot.
Of
Okay.
A lot of pepper. So, booyah. Give it a quick toss. And then we're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Now, because we're using brown sugar, we have to be mindful of the bacon, so keep your eyes on the bacon. We don't want it to brown, but we want it to come out beautiful and have that nice
And have that taste.
Exactly.
Wow.
Okay.
So once it's tossed, we literally take it out on a cookie sheet, lay it out flat, and we bake it.
Simple.
Very simple. Very simple. And trust me, kids or your guests will love the dish.
All right, we got to try that.
Okay.
We also want to talk to you about Brussels sprouts.
Yes.
There's so many different ways to make Brussels sprouts now. You're not just boiling them. What exactly is that?
Thank God for that.
So these Brussels sprouts, we actually roast them. We slice them in half and we roast them until the florets get really crispy. And then we toss them with raw honey and balsamic vinegar. And then right before it's ready to come out, we hit it with our candied spiced pecans. And it gives you a nice textural thing. You know, get a little spice, a little texture, and then the sweet and sour Brussels sprouts.
You know, you can chop up some of that bacon and put it in there.
There you go. I like the way you think.
All right, last but not least.
Last but not least, we saved the
praline
best.
monkey bread.
The best for last. So this is our pull-apart praline monkey bread. So we have multiple layers with pralines and brown sugar and butter stuff between, and then you can go ahead and just rip a piece off.
Yeah. Can we?
Yes.
We want to sample.
Go ahead and sample.
Wow.
There you go. Don't be shy.
Well, look at you.
I know. I'm sorry. It's all over the place.
There we go.
Yummy.
And it's pull apart. This is one of those dishes you can do with the kids.
Nice and sticky.
Nice and sticky. And you know, it's the holidays.
Delicious.
Sweet.
Everything here has been so great. And it looks like it's easy to make, right? You just whip it up with the right ingredients. You have to have that ready.
Yeah.
And we do that. We do that for you at our in our cooking class.
Yeah.
So we take care of all the heavy lifting for you. So all you have to do is come in, put on an apron, and enjoy the ride. And we have date night classes.
Oh, keep that in mind, Chef.
Well,
always a pleasure.
Great Easter spread. If you would like to learn more about the Gourmandise School, or sign up for their upcoming cooking classes. You can go to their website and also follow them on social media.
And now